tech enthusiasts and innovators. Welcome to our channel, where we delve into cutting-edge technologies that are reshaping industries. Today, we embark on an exciting journey through the realm of 3D printing and additive manufacturing. In a world of innovation, 3D printing stands as a beacon of groundbreaking technology. But what exactly is 3D printing? 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a revolutionary process that creates three-dimensional objects by layering materials, allowing the creation of complex designs and prototypes. So, why is 3D printing considered a game changer? It's about innovation, customization, and efficiency. 3D printing enables rapid prototyping, customization of products, and cost-effective production, transforming various industries. How is it being used across different sectors? It's being adopted in healthcare for prosthetics, in aerospace for lightweight components, in automotive for custom parts, and in consumer goods for personalized designs. It's about sustainability too. Eco-friendly materials and reduced waste make 3D printing a sustainable manufacturing option. And there you have it, exploring the world of 3D printing and additive manufacturing. It's a journey from imagination to innovation, from digital models to tangible creations. If you found this exploration of 3D printing as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow tech enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and may your 3D printing endeavors bring forth creativity and advancements.